Have you ever considered which spare parts are essential to keep your Waterjet machine running? Operators having critical spares on site is something I'm very passionate about. And over my time at Performatech, I've worked with operators across Australia and New Zealand to develop a list of parts that they hold on hand at all times to ensure the highest production possible. How we go about this is we look at your unique situation. What sort of machine do you have? How close you are to technical support and backup? How long it takes normally for spare parts to come from our warehouse to your site. Then look at your machine and the parts that are absolutely essential to keep that particular type of machine running. We also look at trends. Is there any particular parts that the machine has been consuming over its history? Finally, based off this, we compile the list and present it to you. We then work through it together and come up with a go-forward plan. I'd seriously love to help you in this area. So if you are interested and your machine is essential for your production, please reach out. Thanks for watching and take care.